I chose this school and this program because our school is ranked as the best technological university in the Baltic area, and the teaching is in English, which is nice, and I like the fact that our school is very international, so we have students from all around the world.
Studying business administration is not choosing one very narrow job, I think. It's first getting quite broad view of the things, getting the big picture, and then it's really necessary that the students they focus more on special issues. Like they can choose the finance, the marketing, or go further by this. And this is, I think, also into today's business world important that you understand the big picture and then you go also more focused. There is the general economics, the history economics, and then having this more specifically subjects for the organizations that are necessary. And then also going kind of personal skills, like having this accounting, finance, so all these kind of subjects are included to the study program.
Our classes are divided into smaller groups, which enables that we get individual teaching, which is really nice. So I think my oral skills have become better, of course my English and my business vocabulary.
If you choose the international business administration, this is the international community from the first day already. The program itself is not built up by the academic people only. This is the teamwork of the entrepreneurs, graduates, and also the potential employers.
I am graduating in a few months, and then I have a job at Nordea Bank. And then, of course, there are many different types of works that you can do after graduating. If you have a degree from Tallinn University of Technology and you're a good person and outgoing, then you have really good chances of getting a good job.